I got a fun new Dutch door sticker kit to share with you guys, but guess what? I'm not going to be doing Dutch doors. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you that are here for the first time, my name is Tracy, and yes, today I'm going to be sharing with you a brand new sticker kit from Amy Plans Things. These are hand-drawn stickers drawn by Amy herself. This sticker kit is releasing on June the 20th at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, and my discount code AGWP10 will save you 10% on your purchase. I will have more release details down in the description box. So this is the Dutch Doors kit Beneath the Waves. So you can tell by the title that this is a Dutch door friendly sticker kit, which means all of your duplicate stickers are going to be the reverse image. So it's perfect for putting on the opposite side of the page that you cut out. So let's take a look at these. So these are on clear. And from what I saw on Amy's Instagram page, these stickers, the way that they're printed, you can actually put them on colored paper. So you can put them over stamping or what you'll see later on top of colored paper. So look how pretty that is. It is so pretty. Again, you can see how everything is reversed, making your life easy if you want to do this as a Dutch door. But I like to be, I like to take a different route sometimes. And when I saw this, I had other ideas. And I'm really excited about those other ideas. Now, this is on paper. So you have two sticker sheets that are on paper. Everything else is on clear. I do want to apologize for my voice today. It is really early in the morning. I've been, waking up super early, like 4:30 in the morning, and I have a boatload of energy, and I'm like, let's play. So that's what I'm doing. So I was thinking about putting the stickers on this. Yes. Because when I saw the sticker sheets, I was just thinking layering fun. Like I was just thinking you could just layer all of this with so much stuff. Like I could do like the fish on top of this. I could kind of layer these a little bit so that way the jellyfish are kind of half on, half off of that. So that's what I was thinking. And then I'm like, you know what? I'm back in a classic size planner. I've been doing some Franken planning. And I'm like, maybe I could use this as almost like a divider. So let's do a fun decorative divider, perfect for summer using these stickers. Now, I said I'm going to use this. We're going to kind of like test it out to see if I like the way it looks. If not, we will go to white cardstock. I do have plenty of cardstock laying around. So first things first, I am going to cut this down to size. And then 9 1/4. I love this cutter. I really do. Okay. Let's test one of these little fishies. Oh yeah. See what that looks like on the blue paper? So this is really, really good. Okay. So yes, we are going to use the blue paper. I was thinking about stamping and using like a color background, but you know what? I have this paper and we're going to make this work. All right. So this is going to be on one side. I think this is going to be on another side. I might want the colorful one over here where I'm going to punch. I think it'll set it off a little bit more because I think I want this over here, but I want to try to layer it with the fish. This is going to be a really quick plan with me, guys. I didn't realize that. I was like, famous last words, but no, this should be pretty quick. But yeah, I wanted to do something a little bit different. Like I said, this sticker set inspired me to do this, if I'm being honest, because when I saw this is kind of, I was like, I want to layer it. I think it'd be really fun to layer it. Look how that color pops on this colorful paper. Oh my goodness. Amy, you outdid yourself, girl. You outdid yourself. Not that I use colorful paper a lot, but those of you that like Archer and Olive and things like that, they have a lot more journals with colorful paper. And, you know, sometimes you want to use your stickers, your clear stickers on those, you know, in those journals. You don't just want to always have to use like your matte stickers. I want to take this off the page. Okay. Oop, 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 oop. No! There we go. Look at that, y'all. This is going to be such a cute divider in my planner. Okay. So, I think I want the fish over top of this. Which one where most of them are going this way? I think I have to do this side. I think this side will fit better over here. I want this to layer on top. Now, I'm not going to start this at the bottom because they're fish. They can go wherever. Look at that, y'all. Look at that. Ha, got another little bump. Oh, that came out. Oh my goodness. It is so cute. I'm so happy. I'm so happy I decided to do this. All right, let's put some of this stuff at the bottom. Kind of want this one. There. That is the advantage to clear stickers, is that you can just layer on top of them. I think that makes things a little fun too. I love a good layering moment. And because of the color coding on this, it actually works really, really well as well. So yeah, this is what's going up here, but we are putting it all right here. I want a cute little base. Oh, you have these two. Oh, let's do the little blue. Okay, there we go. Y'all, this is coming together really, really, really fast. All right. So we have these. We have the bubbles. We have these bubbles. We have some more fish. At first, I was thinking about putting these over here. But maybe we'll just use these jellyfish. Maybe we'll put bubbles over here. Do we want those bubbles though? I might put the other fish over here. Maybe these needed, oh no. I didn't think this through, guys. I didn't think this through. I might have to bust out the undo. Let's see. Yeah, let me, I think I can probably get this up, but I don't want to mess up these stickers because I'm layering them. So I'm going to get out the undo. Are they at the bottom? Could this also be at the top? Is it at the top? Like, how do bubbles go? They're at the bottom. Let me see something. Let me make sure I'm doing this right. Why am I second guessing this, y'all? Okay, they're at the bottom. Okay. like that. Now I'm also wondering, do I do the other one like this is, like over here too? No, I think it's, I kind of want some of these other things to steal the show. But we are going to do this. Or I could just do, let's just do the fish by itself. So that way it's not exactly the same. Trying to figure out which way they go. Okay. So we're going to mix the fish and these guys. Let's do the other bubbles. Where are the other bubbles? Oh, we can do these. We can just do these. Perfect right there. So we're just going to use these to fill in the background. Okay, I have a few more left, but I only have a few more left. Oh no, this one did not go down straight. Okay. All right, let's put a jellyfish. Probably some of my least favorite sea creatures. On the page. Oh, what did I do? I just did not put them all the way down. All right, let's put this like here. Oh my goodness, y'all. See how layering works? Layering is like working so well. You can still see the bubbles behind the tentacles. The blue down there. Let's add some more fish. Let's do this guy. We definitely need some fish over on this side. And then we need fish obviously in the middle. He's swimming upward. I think there's one more jellyfish right there. But I don't know if it's going to fit on the page. I can always put it like right there, going halfway off the page. Is there any smaller ones that I could use? No. Like that. That fills that little area right there. Oh, I still have the little things at the bottom of my desk that I wanted to use here. Now, okay, there we go there. All right, we have these. I feel like these guys need to be down here because that one's up there. Hope I don't have any of these fish upside down. It is possible. I guess there's really no rules. Put them whatever way you want. Okay. I filled in all the space. We do have some more bubbles, so I think I'm going to just use the rest of there's 3 more bubbles here, so I'm going to go ahead and use that, and then we're done, y'all. We are done. Can you believe it? Can you believe how fast this went? Nope, neither can I. Here we go. I'm gonna cut this bubble. I love these bubbles. Okay. All right, y'all. Guess what? We're done. Let me stamp. Let me punch this. Look how cute that is. Oh my goodness. It is so cute. Where is... Do I have a... I need a card or something. I should have like my cruise card that I just got somewhere. Because I need to flatten this down. I'll do that off camera. But look how cute that is. I mean, it layers so well. So yeah, don't, just because you see Dutch doors, remember, don't limit yourself to just Dutch doors, because you can't do that kind of layering on Dutch doors. And look how pretty this looks. This is going to look really pretty behind my clear dividers in my planner, which I might have already taken out of this one because I'm in the process of, we'll move this to the front just for show and tell. I'm in the process of actually setting up for the month of July. So that is why some of my things moved, but this will move into that planner as well. But see, look how pretty that looks as like a divider in your planner. So yeah, you can totally, remember, use your stickers for all different purposes. I absolutely love this. So fun, so fun. All right, guys. So remember, this releases on Saturday, June the 20th at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. And my code AGWP10 will save you 10%. All right, guys, there we go. I hope you enjoyed this different kind of Create With Me. If you did, press that like button. And if you've yet to subscribe, I hope you would also consider subscribing. That is all I have for now. I hope you have a good rest of your day, evening, or night. Until next time, bye.